Sometimes flooding, houses material, your life up in nothing. Like a bunch of sears in the garden, drumming, leave me with nothing. Deep in the heart, like a fact, I did everything to get my part in. Failed attempts, I blame the Lord. Followed the devil, but I got bored. Father's gone, stole the fort. Can't live by the pen, and die by the sword. Trying to be strong when everything's going wrong. We argue about money, for some it's fucking funny. Your nose is running from your boyfriend's blows. For not properly tucking, take up bodybuilding and you won't be so lucky. But rather busting open swollen fractured. You're in the emergency with the bastard. Broken bones are being plastered. Dead almost came faster than a cheetah with a rocket. And while you're talking to the doctor, tell him I'll be patient in the waiting sector. A ninga cause too young, pregnant, a life had meaning. You waste of semen cease to be gleaming. Even if she's not yours anymore, don't leave her with the soul. Leave her too so she can count on you from afar. Open the door for a lady, shout out Sadie. It might be rainy, but we gotta face the storm. Let success be the norm. Keep company, Snoop got the best home. In college while you transform into what you wanna be. Follow that dream. Don't wait till your nose bleed. Wanna say clean out the seat or two, but that's not a way to do. They'll never lie when your life's the truth. Succeed while you still in your youth. Milk tooth, I'm telling you a fable. Let me grab my saber. God gave us this paddle. Up we saddle and we watching cable. And the news is done. I'm changing the channel. Dew point at 55 degrees Fahrenheit and